I don't feel too excited.
Thank you.
Turns out today was about to be very eventful.
Time's been moving slowly, so we already in too deep. Can't get no sleep on each other, heavy teasing all day. And when the sun sets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you feel.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new vlog. It's Saturday. It's almost midday actually. And yeah, I just decided to pick up to the vlog. Welcome you guys to a new vlog. Honestly, I wouldn't have vlogged if it if not for the fact that tomorrow is my birthday. And yeah, tomorrow is my birthday. Yes, yeah, not been off to a good start, but in all things, we give thanks to the Most High God. And above all things, I'm grateful to life. I'm grateful for life. Um, yeah, in as much as this year I'm not filled with as much excitement or enthusiasm for my birthday because of gain. I'm happy to be alive and glad, grateful to God. I mean, and yeah, many things have not gone to plan, and that's why I'm a little bit, but it's good, it's good, it's fine. That's life. Anywho, I decided to pick up the vlog because no matter how downcast, God will not let, by the grace of God, I will never be downcast. But however bad I might be feeling, or however bad things might be, I have to do something. Well, yeah, granted, I'm not so excited, but me, I got myself a birthday dress. I haven't got myself a birthday wig. Yeah, I wanted something simple. The only thing is, I've not had time to try it on, so I don't know if it's gonna be good. If it's not good, if it is, I'm gonna because I do not have a plan B. Yeah, I didn't have time to. I was gonna wash my wigs and just in case, but I did not have time during the week to do so. This is Saturday. We just returned from Fife's swimming lesson. I just fed him and put him to bed. He's not yet sleeping. I'm still hearing his voice, but he has no choice. He has to sleep. Me, I don't get time. Anyway, so I put him to sleep and I decided to come chat with you guys. So tomorrow's my birthday, which means obviously today is Valentine's Day. So I decided to just spruce up our breakfast, get in the mood, you know. So I did our breakfast, regular pancakes, nothing new, but just put a little spruce here and there, and that was what we had. We had breakfast, and even Fife was not left out. We had like mini art pancakes. That was so cute. So I did that. Are you sure he's not hearing my voice? Why is he screaming? Who is he trying to converse with? I'm not going into that room. Anyway, so I did that. We ate and then went to swimming. Now we're back. He's supposed to nap. This guy woke up at almost 11 a.m. So yeah, I'm just reaching at this point, expecting him to sleep. But he seemed tired after swimming, so I'm thinking he would sleep. He's not sleeping. So yeah, anyway, so that's what's been up this weekend. Um, I'll carry you guys along and show you the things that I get to do eventually for myself for my birthday. Um, yeah, I'll show you how it goes at the end of the day. Tomorrow is Sunday. That's what I just wanted to welcome you guys to the vlog. Tomorrow is my birthday. 19 forever. Period. Yeah. Oh yeah, I did my cornrows on Friday night. Was it Friday night? No, Thursday night. Because yesterday was Friday. You guys know I had silk press done. I was supposed to wash my hair, and I became so lazy. I'm like calculating the time it would cost me. I just felt like, put it in cornrows, then you'll be washing your hair in cornrows till when you take the hair down. Because, like, I really do not know what else, any plan for my hair, aside from to wear wig for my birthday. I don't know what nothing, I don't, no plans. This intro is getting too long. I'll just keep chatting away like this is my sister in front of me. But yeah, that is what's up. I want to go do some video editing, upload video for tomorrow. It's already ready. The video for tomorrow is ready. I just need to. I just need to do like the title and all the adjustments, and we're ready. Tomorrow is my birthday. Ooh, I need to post on TikTok. I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Yeah, happy birthday. Say happy birthday, mommy. Mm. You sing for mommy? Yeah, sing for mommy. No, Alexa, you sing for mommy. Sing happy birthday for mommy. You're hungry?
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside
Funny. Buy my mind, Joe. My mind, John. Buy one, Joe. How is it?
It's just regular toast. I said chai.
forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine before you forgot my worth.
This is a Friday inside.
Here. Hey, Bubba. Hey. Hey. Okay. Hey. Hey.
When we'll do unboxing of it tomorrow. Papa, see mommy's camera. See mommy kiss. Papa, see happy daddy. Mm. Mm. Kiss mommy. Give one kiss. Guys, today is the 15th of February. My birthday. My birthday. I am so happy. I am so grateful. And I actually feel like I'm not grateful enough. I feel I have not shown gratitude to God enough this year. But today, we give thanks. I give God thanks for just His faithfulness towards me, His love, His kindness towards me, His blessings, His everything, His work in my life, what He's doing in my life, with my life, for my life. I am so grateful, guys. And also, I'm grateful to you guys, all of you who took out time to wish me happy birthday. Usually, birthdays are always overwhelming because there's so many messages, but it warms my heart. It's like that extra spice to the day. So I appreciate anyone that took the time to drop a message. Some of you even posted my pictures. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Grateful for my husband, my baby boy, my fife bobo. Ah, yeah, I'm so happy. Grateful for my family. They call in at different times, sending voice notes and singing me happy birthday. So happy. My heart is filled with joy and gladness and gratitude. Yeah. This week is actually going to be very. It's not going to be. It is very reflective. Very um. Yeah, very introspective. I want to spend time with myself and count my blessings. Yeah, because I'm in a position right now where if care is not taken, I will lose sight of the many blessings that I am carrying within me, that I am living in. So, yeah, this week I just want to reflect. I want to count your blessings, name them one by one. I want to count my blessings. So, yeah, enough of the deep talks. How did my birthday go? Yo, the time, I don't even know. I think the time should be like past 8. I didn't wear my watch, but we had my day turned out to be so eventful, like more eventful than I could have imagined. The other day when I was talking to you guys and about it being my birthday.
Remember, I'm not saying
Bubba,
happy birthday
to mommy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
Sing that.
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. The one is that spoil our year. Day and night. So you reach time now. Look.
I was say happy birthday, mommy. Why you smile like you're seeing somebody here? Say happy birthday, mommy.
How old are you now? How old? Yes, it's a birthday. She should cover up. She's revealing too much.
Oh, but see, I noticed my look at his eyes sleep. You look drowsy.
No, we're not singing.
You don't want to sing to mommy. Then you will not be singing when nobody's celebrating birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Confeng.
Happy birthday to you. That is what we good night.
Mm. Mm.
Let's go sleep.
Bye bye. Good night,
This is
Bobo.
lovely to see
Please
you.
don't shout, oh. Don't shout. Don't be waking up in the middle of the night. I beg you, in the name of God.
That's how we should start.
If you do, I will not go answer you now. Your daddy, I go wake up, wait to come meet you.
Why? Why? For what?
Mm-hmm. Don't they do that? Don't do that
He's
again. You're
looking
bigger than that.
fine. You know, he's looking like nobody in the photo.
Close. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going.
Okay. No problem. Yeah. Well, this guy has refused to sing. Mind you, on a normal day, there's no birthday, no nothing. He will just be making noise and singing happy birthday to you. Sing for mommy. He has refused to sing all day. Anyway, he actually wished me happy birthday when he woke up and I went to get him from his bed. I said, say happy birthday, mommy. And he's like, happy birthday. Yes. What was I saying? I told you guys, I don't feel too excited. Nothing is happening. Turns out today was about to be very eventful, like I said. So, I put Fife to sleep late last night. For some reason, he just kept on waking up, and that's why I was telling him I don't want those noises. I don't want those. I put him to bed, and he just kept on waking me up. And yesterday, I was so tired, and I needed to sleep. I tried to sleep early. That's right, but this boy, he refused. So I wanted to do something different, like pray into my year, my new season. Maybe just 30 minutes, just something brief. So I set the timer, the alarm for 11:30. But because as at past 11, I was still struggling, or almost 11, I was still struggling to put him to sleep, like to have him sleep. So I'm like, okay, let's just do 11, maybe 35 or 11:45 or something like that. Yeah, 11:45. That's how I did not wake up again. Until I'm like, what is going on? I jump out of my sleep. What's happening? Fire alarm. Mind you, in this house, the fire alarm just goes off unprovoked. So I thought this was another case. But I'm like, this kind of sounds different. But first thing I do whenever he wakes us up in the middle of the night is just go check on Fife in his room, just so that he doesn't panic and all of that. So he knows that someone is here. So I went and I was trying to block his ear, because the noise is so irritating to the ears. So I'm like trying to cover his ear. I'm like, this one sounds different. Let me check. So I looked out of the window to confirm that we're not the only ones experiencing this. Tell me why I look out and every other apartment looks fine. You mean to tell me it's fire at 12 a.m.? Mind you, I didn't even know it was 12 a.m. Fire. What is it cooking? Was what I thought. I'm like, immediately I went downstairs, and then I'm going downstairs. I'm looking like, and then I see cake, balloon. I'm like, okay, cake, balloon, but this is not enough to cause a fire, cause the fire alarm to go off. I'm
Having
like,
fun without that.
what's happening? What
Birthday
happened?
girl,
What
yeah.
are you doing? Then he was
Faster.
telling me about it was the fire thing. I don't know what you call it. We call it bisco back in Nigeria. I don't know if that's the name. the fire thing that they put on the cake. So yeah, he lit them up at 12 because he was already playing happy birthday song, thinking he didn't know I was sleeping. He thought maybe today you go and pick cake. So I will not have cake. So maybe today you want to pick the cake. This is not too big.
Even say look at like this cake is massive.
His plan was to wake me up to get me to come down when I start to hear the happy birthday song, the happy birthday music, and then I will come in and see the birthday cake, the balloons that just magically appeared from nowhere. I will see all of them like, oh my god, babe, where did you put all of this? Oh, thank you. That was not how it panned out. That was not how it turned out. I can tell you that for free. Because I'm like, what's happening? What happened? Why is this? It's only our house. It's like, yeah, it was explaining that it was this fire thing. I'm like, I was so scared at first because I'm seeing balloons and I know those balloons can also explode. And I'm seeing candle, scented candle on. And I'm just so scared. So I'm like, okay, okay. I go downstairs and I move the candle away from the balloon. I'm big. So that was how my birthday surprise went. I'll put a few clips because, guys, I woke up in the middle of my sleep. I was not looking cutesy at all. So yeah, that was a very eventful start to my birthday. I'm like, wait, it's 12 a.m. Like, yes. I'm like, look at me. I slept off. So I had to just come upstairs after, um, my birthday welcome. I came upstairs late eventually and I did my prayers and then I went to sleep and then woke up today and carried on with some of the activities, watched Sunday service online and all of that, all of that. Ate, got ready. I filmed a couple short form content, took a lot of pictures. And guys, I did my makeup. I am so impressed. I am so impressed with my makeup. You guys know me, I don't like to cakey makeup. I don't like to put too much foundations. This time I used 2 pounds of foundation. Typically for my everyday look I use one, but I'm like, let it pop. So I did two and this is my makeup after several hours. I did my makeup. I think I finished my makeup around one, past one. So yeah, it has tried. Yeah, and I used this that was recommended by Gift. Before I used that, I used this to melt it in. It's so good, like so good. Granted, this is now fresh. It was looking a lot more fresher earlier on, and of course my lipstick is almost gone, but she's still looking cute. She's still looking cutesy or whatever. Oh, so yeah, that was how my day went. Yeah, what else am I missing? Got ready, we took pictures, and then we went to eat. lunch slash dinner. We went to like a steakhouse. It was good. The food was just there. The ambience though was loved the ambience, but like the food did not wow me. But the drinks though, the drinks was they were so good. I tasted Obi's one, and it was nice. And mine, just had regular pina colada, and it was so good, so good. Like I could not finish it. I'm like, finish. Like it was so good. It was like a huge glass of the pina colada, and yeah, we had lunch slash dinner. Came back home, and I unboxed my gift. For the first time, I hinted. This time, I was hinting at what I wanted for my birthday present. And it just makes so much sense. It makes everything easy. You didn't have to think too much. Before, I was just like, whatever he gets, but I this one I wanted it. Don't waste your money buy any other thing. So I sent him several times. I think about 2 times. I sent him videos of what I wanted. It's my first official camera. No. It's not a DSLR camera, whatever they call those ones, like the proper ones. I still have like my dream camera on my wish list in my head. Like I unboxed my gift and I was so happy, and it just crowned the day. And yeah, that was how my day went. I unboxed my gift. A girl now has a camera, like a vlogging camera. They unboxed it. Here I am now, guys. The unboxing of that camera was a lot. I just but I was too excited to just leave it. I'm like, I will not be able to sleep. I have to unbox this thing. It just took me back to when we buy our parents will buy us our Christmas outfit, and then you can't sleep in peace. In short, if you can, some of us will wear some of the outfits to bed. The shoe, I'll be wearing it all over the place. So yeah, that was what it was like for me today. Hobby, I supposed to be fair to sleep. I just need to take off my makeup, take a nice shower, and go and relax and reply to more birthday wishes. I'm so grateful to you guys. Thank you guys so much for the love. And yeah, we resume to trying to get the vlogs to be up to date. I am committed, honestly, but the algorithm is not favorable. So like I don't know, do I post frequently? Will they watch? Because even this one I'm spacing it out, they're not watching. I'm just so conflicted and confused. Please, when you watch my video, comment, because I think YouTube is not showing my videos to quarter or 1/8 of my subscribers, because there's no way I have all of you here that I have subscribed to my channel, and I'm barely getting up to 100 views as of today that I'm making this video. Like my videos are struggling, and the only thing that's keeping me is the fact that besides putting out content, it's just a way of me. It's my diary, it's my creative outlet, so I'm keeping it pushing. But yeah, that the only reason why the videos are still slowing is because like, I don't know, are people not gonna watch? It's not easy. So please, when you watch, like, comment, share, so that YouTube will know that you like the content, and then they can recommend to more people. And maybe also resume showing my videos to all of my other subscribers. Man, I don't know. Yeah, I'll just end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I haven't actually gifted myself anything for my birthday. I want to give myself some makeup items, just I don't know what, because left to me, I have all I need. But I want to claim my birthday gift for this year, because last year I did not. So I'm just gonna find something. Yeah, because I mean, look at me. I make use of just the things that I have and things that I've been using for years and anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Please make sure you're subscribed if you're not yet subscribed. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment, and while you're at it, add add a camera add a camera and a birthday cake, of course, to your comments, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.
Bring it down. They're watching us. I don't give a bloody damn. You shame for me? They didn't wash me. Come on. They didn't wash me.